everyone, Porcelain here on Manufactured, and welcome to another episode of Tossed and Found, and welcome to the third video in the giant saga of Porcelain needs to clean out all the ponies that she's bought over the past over a year now. So she's making a lot of pony videos. This one's going to be the sculpted pony figures video, so ones with no hair, just sculpted manes and tails from various generations. It is a little bit of a smaller haul. I'd say this one was probably about a $5 haul altogether, what I spent on these ones. So we're going to get right into it. It's going to be a much shorter video, which is probably good. And yeah, let's start. So the first ones I have are these Princess Celestia, where she's pink. I don't know why they sculpt her in pink. I guess because they think little girls like pink, but Celestia is not pink. So we have two of her. So I have one and then an identical one. They need a little bit of cleanup, but I think they'll be nice once they are cleaned up, and I will definitely keep one for my collection. The other one might be customized though. And as always, feel free to leave me suggestions on what customs to make with my extra ponies, because I have so many and I want to get into making more customs, and then eventually I'll open for commissions for them as well. Alright, next we have some Twilight figurines. These ones are big and chunky. I don't know where these ones come from. I wish I knew, because I really like them. I like the sculpted details, because they're more show accurate. This is adorable little Twilight figurine, and we do have two of them. They have their cutie mark on one side of their body. Two Celestias, two Twilights. The last one that I think we have two of here, maybe the last one, there might be doubles of something else. The last big one we have doubles of is Pinky Boy! Again, nice big chunky figures. They're about the size of a brushable, or maybe exactly the size of a brushable, except they have sculpted manes and tails, which is really nice, and they are the same pose, the same toy, just from different places. And the reasons that there are doubles is because these don't come all from the same sale. They come from different garage sales, but I've put them all together in one video just to make it a little bit more simple and easy to go through. This video is going to go by so quick. Alright, because the bin is already mostly empty when I take out the big figures. I have one more big figurine here, and it is an Applejack. It's a shame I don't have nice big sculpted ones of Fluttershy or Rarity or Rainbow Dash, or who am I missing? No, Fluttershy, Rarity, Rainbow Dash, yeah. So those are all the big, nice big chunky ones. If anyone knows where those ones come from, and if there are ones of the other three main six ponies, please let me know, because I would like to have them. I'd like to figure out what they are and find them. Find the rest of them, hopefully. Alright, now continuing on with this generation, the fourth generation, we have all my Spikes. I considered including them with brushables, but Spike's not brushable, so we have three of Spike in this pose. I don't know why they really made a lot of him on four legs, because he doesn't usually stand on four legs, so there are three of them, of him like this. The exact same Spike. I might customize one of them. Good to have Spikes though. For a long time I had lots of ponies but no Spike, and I really wanted a Spike, and now I finally have some. They're pretty cute. Oh! Then we have this tiny, really derpy looking Spike who's actually standing properly, but he looks so weird. I don't like his face. I will keep him anyway because he's the only one I have. He's so small. Look, there's my fingernail. It's about the size of his head. He is a very teeny little Spike. He doesn't like to stand up either. I don't know. What's wrong with Spike? Why doesn't he want to stand up? Next we have a few more, I think. There we go. Okay, these are the last ones for our Generation 4 ponies, and then we're going on to Generation 3.5 and 3. These ones are blind bag ponies. I always love finding these. I love how small they are. They're so cute. Here's an Applejack. I already own an Applejack, but that's alright. Here is a Fluttershy, but it's the old blind bag Fluttershy. Now they have her in her proper mold with her own proper mane and tail, instead of just using Rainbow Dash's mold for her. I don't know why they did that. And then we have Princess Cadance. Princess Cadance with lots of colorful hearts all over her and stuff, which is a little bit strange, but still, they painted her really nicely, so I love having the blind bag figures. I wish I could find more of them. I really, really like them. More of them at garage sales. I know I can buy them in stores, but I like to be thrifty. That's kind of the point. Alright, now we have some 3.5 figures. There are a couple Pinkie Pies. I believe these are different figure. So here's the first Pinkie Pie. Here is the second one. I really don't like the proportions from 3.5, and especially the faces. They look really, really strange, but I do enjoy collecting pony, and I do sometimes use them for customs and other stuff as well, so I collect them anyways. Next we have this one. She's wearing shoes on her back hooves. We have a Generation 3.5 Rainbow Dash. And we have this one. Sorry for saying this one, I don't know all their names. I only know the 4th generation names because I watched the show. We have this one. I don't know what she's from. She obviously went on top of something. But there she is. She's a pretty chunky figure. And then we have a couple Generation 3 figures. Oh, we also have an extra mane here. Oh. Show up. Oh, Gus. There we go. An extra mane. Here is a Generation 3 minifigure. She's very shiny. Oh, and I believe, yeah, her head moves up and down. That's an interesting choice. She's cute. I'm not sure where these ones come from, but they're very interesting. Then we have one more Generation 3 figure. This one, her paint job is pretty bad, but her mold is really nice. I think she's from a Busy Book or something. She reminds me, I think I did a Busy Book haul, in a haul like a long, long time ago, and she reminds me of the ponies from that, so I think she might be from a Busy Book. But there's only one of her, and that's the end of this set of ponies. I think it's pretty awesome. Let's focus in there. You can see them a little better. I think it's a pretty awesome haul. I really, really love these sculpted ponies. I love these big chunky ones. I think they'll look great on a shelf as part of my collection, so I'm very, very happy to have them, and this is why I thrift. You know, you find a whole bunch of ponies for $5 instead of having to pay, you know, at least $5 a piece for some of them. I mean, blind bag ponies here in Canada retail for at least $3 a piece. So already with 2 of them, I've already paid for, you know, so many more, which is really, really lovely, and I'm very happy about that. So yeah, thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me any comments about what I should do with the ones I'm going to customize, about what kinds of videos you want to see. I do read every single comment, and I try to respond to as many as possible. I love reading YouTube comments. It's probably my favorite part of being on YouTube, aside from making the videos. Like, I have fun making these. That's why I make them. I don't really make money off my content or anything, so thank you guys all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you haven't already, consider checking out another one, and if you like that one, maybe consider subscribing. I do make videos like this every single week. They're always about different things, not always pony, but there are a lot of pony ones out there that I've done. I jump all over the place with my thrift hauls, all things that I enjoy. So yeah, leave me a comment, and so yeah, hopefully I see you guys in the next video, and have an awesome day. Keep playing by your own rules, guys. Bye!